How to fix Samsung A16 voicemail notifications not working. So let's start the video. First of all, turn off your do not disturb mode. For turning off your do not disturb mode, then swipe down to your control center and here you can turn off your do not disturb. After turning off your do not disturb, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then restart your device. After restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. In settings and then click on notifications. And then click on app notifications. And then scroll down and find here phone app. Now search here phone. If you can't find here your phone app, then go back and open apps and then search here phone. Now here you can turn on your notifications. After turning on your notifications, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.